Bath bombs infused with CBD are a perfect way to absorb the skin healing properties within the bath bombs along with the calming properties of CBD. Most bath salts come with healing and anti-inflammatory properties, which is why infusing salts with CBD comes with better benefits. Not only are CBD-infused oils good for your bath, they can also be used with most oil burners to help you feel relaxed everywhere in your house. CBD-infused body creams and balms work great on problem areas such as sore muscles or joints and blemished or troublesome skin. CBD-infused tinctures work with your favorite lotions or cream. Just add a few drops to your desired skincare product and apply to the problem areas for maximum pain relief and relaxation. Looking to sell CBD products? Visit us at freshbombs.com.